I am going to give some questions which are being asked for LDC examinations. This is regarding preposition. This is regarding preposition. The first one is he prefers coffee dash tea. He prefers coffee dash tea. Options A than B but C 2 D 4. Which is the correct answer? Option C 2 is the correct answer. Prefer is always followed by 2. Superior to, inferior to, senior to, junior to, prior to, applicable to. For this, you have to use to as preposition. This is being asked for the examination. Another one. Next one. The Prime Minister, second one. The Prime Minister congratulate the cricket team dash their World Cup victory. Commonly, congratulate is being asked every time. A. For, B. On, C. In, D. Off. After congratulate, you must use only one preposition, that is on. You have to use the preposition on. Preposition on is correct. Third one. That is also being asked for LD type is KBC and KFC. She has no access dash the manager. She has no access dash the manager. A. For, B. To, C. With, D. On. The correct answer is to, access to. Next one. That was also being asked for LD type is KBC, KFC. You will be held responsible dash your contact. You will be held responsible dash your contact. A. For, B. By, C. With, D. About. Responsible for. Therefore, the answer is A. Therefore, the answer is A. Next one. The master was angry dash his servant. The master was angry dash his servant. A. On, B. For, C. With, D. Against. Which is the correct one? C. Angry with. And when we say angry with a person, when we mention person, we have to use angry with. Whenever we mention something, we feel angry at her behavior. Therefore, we have to use at. When we mention a person, I feel angry with Rama. Person, we have to use with. Next. I am tired dash working. A. Off, B. To, Z. On, D. In. Which is the correct answer? I am tired of working. That is being asked LDZ column. Next. He has left dash Kochi. A. To, B. Unto, Z. Into, D. For. Which is the correct answer? Left for Kochi. Left for Kochi. Next one. I expect my friend that's the 3rd of next month. That's the 3rd of next month. LD Clark question asked Alapi Kottayam. A. From, B. In, C. By, D. At. Which is the correct answer? By. I expect my friend by the 3rd of next month. By is used to denote the latest time by which something is done. By is used to denote the latest time by which something is done. Whenever we mention correct time, we have to use at. Total length of time, we have to use in. But latest time by which something is done, we have to use by. Therefore, the answer is C. Another one. Sachin is a great player. That's the world cricket players. Sachin is a great player. That's the world cricket players. A. Among. B. Between. C. On. D. To. Sachin is a great player among the world cricket players. Whenever we mention more than two persons, we have to use among. Whenever we mention two persons, between. Between is used to refer to persons and two objects. Among is used to refer more than two persons or more than two objects. Therefore, the answer is among. A is the correct answer. Next one. The train departs dash 3 p.m. A. On. B. At. C. In. D. For. We mentioned correct time. So we have to use the preposition at. I shall continue this process and give more questions. Okay. Thank you. Let us call it a day.